What do you suggest? Do we need to integrate and study for both prelims and mains together, or can we just keep it separate and focus on one at a time?
So this question actually can be answered in two ways. So one thing is, when you're studying right now, you can never study for prelims and mains together. I mean, that's my understanding. You can only study in one mode because the demand of both the exams are completely different. So when I am like reading Lakshmikant, I cannot read a chapter both in the prelims perspective and mains perspective in one go. It is very difficult. So because the mains paper is most often analytical, so that you need some points like that. But prelims is often factual, so you need to get these factual points. So okay, they can trick you in this part. So it is completely different. So at one point, you can never study prelims and mains together. That is what my experience was. But during your preparation, you need not segment it in such a way that okay, for 3 months I will study prelims, next 3 months that is completely not what you should do. I think you can study prelims for 3 or 4 days, then pick up mains again. You can go this way. So in a long period of time, you need to go with it, both of it together. And when you're nearing the prelims, you can go prelims explosive. Like if the prelims is happening in July, you can for the previous 3 months you can study just prelims. The previous 2 months you can study just prelims. But a long phase of your preparation must be that you take both together. But at one time you have to study either prelims or mains, not both, I feel.
What I did was that I focused only for mains. I think most of the, and that's a better thing to do. For example, assume that you have let's say 12 months in with you. So I think the whole let's say 10 months. I think you can study just for mains. And the last 2 months you can tweak it for your prelims, because syllabus is almost the same. The only thing is prelims is not a test of your knowledge. Prelims is nothing but just get yourself saved from the elimination. So for that, it doesn't. So that's what sometimes you find very knowledgeable people who don't crack prelims. You know why? Because it is not a test of knowledge. It's a test of your smartness, how well you can eliminate things, and how well we can get ahead of other people. So that is the thing which can really help you out. So make sure that prelims, more than knowledge, it is your problem solving capacity that really comes into picture. So I think I answer your question in that way. Do a lot of previous year question paper. That's one thing you can do, and then you can also take like I don't know. The first time I think I took 30 tests, 36 tests to be, I think, and plus online tests here and there. I took a lot of them. So probably 40 tests is something I would have taken. I didn't know this thing, but later I sat and counted the number of tests which I took. So that's when I understood. I did take so many tests initially.
Yeah. I will say that you should prepare it together, right? Because first of all, people say that you have to read a lot of things, but UPSC has given a clear syllabus. So one can clearly understand that there is sort of overlapping between the syllabuses. So you should prepare prelims and mains together. But at the same point, you should understand what type of questions from a particular topic will be asked for prelim and what type of a question will be asked for main. For example, there is an India-China issue going on, for example, in Galvan Valley. So from a prelims point of view, you should only know that where is Galvan Valley situated, what is the area, what if there is any river flowing through it, such things. But from a mains point of view, it can be asked like, what is the geographical significance of Galvan Valley to India, or else on an international relationship part, they can ask what are the issues between India and China, right? So the same topic can be asked for both prelims and mains. So it is always helpful to have an integrated approach. At the same time, after maybe February or March, you can have a prelims focused view.